Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this time I want to take you to NIDA, which is in Lithuania. This is a super place. I really enjoy spend one day and 2 nights there, and this place this time felt for me completely different. The last time I was in it, I think it was like 4 or 5 years ago. Yes, and so NIDA it felt so different. It's a very calm place. We went there on the 1st of September 2021. So the summer season kind of was finished and it was really nice there. There was not many people at all, and I enjoyed this the most. I loved it there. There is Lagoon, there is Baltic Sea, as you can see now, where you can watch an amazing sunsets. This day, therefore, was very windy and was very cloudy, so it wasn't the best sunset. But still, the whole atmosphere in NIDA, it felt so calm, so relaxed. You don't want to rush anywhere. Just take it slow and enjoy life. The sand, the sea, the sky, the dunes. I love to be beside the water. Water is my number one, like, relaxed time, relaxed place where to be. It was way too cold for me to go into the sea, but yeah. The town was so empty, there was no people. The wind was warm and nice, and like it was a little bit of rain as well. But I really enjoyed the time there. It was super nice and super calming there. This was the next morning in NIDA around 7 or 8 a.m. It was pretty nice morning, as you can see. So we just went for the walk around the NIDA. NIDA is a pretty small. There's not much where to walk, but everywhere you can walk, or you can rent a bike and cycle around it. The day was nice, so we decided just to take a walk because we like to walk. And that's just me saying hello to you. Now we're just going up to there is a sun clock, as you can see it here. And now we'll be heading towards Parničio Dunes. It's a lovely area of the dunes which was naturally occurring, and it's a very nice place to be. I highly recommend to you all, guys, if you ever will decide to go to Lithuania to visit the capital Vilnius or to go by the Baltic Sea, you must go to NIDA. You must go there. So this is border Lithuania, Russia, Kaliningrad. NIDA gets pretty busy during the summer month, which is June, July and August in Lithuania. So if you will ever think to go there, just keep in mind that. But if you don't mind the people, the prices can be pretty high for rooms or for apartments or hotels to rent, so just keep in mind that. But if you don't mind a bit not as such a nice and hot weather, go in September, go in April or even May. Still you will be able to enjoy this nice natural beauty which NIDA has. Here is just a walk on another side of NIDA, where is Kuršių Marios Lagoon. So it's really nice there as well, and you can find a little small library if you will decide to have a read of something. There's books in Russian language we seen, in Polish and Lithuanian, and in German as well. And of course I found a swing. This was the best view. I love swings. We coming back for more, so we're going to watch the sunset on the NIDA beach. And today's weather and the sky, as you can see, it looks amazing. So I hope we're gonna see it properly. Lovely sunset. Oh my goodness, we're just on time. Look, golden hour. Sunset in NIDA. Look at this beauty. Wow. Thank you for watching, guys, and I see you next week.